Welcome back and you are watching English grammar video. Dear friends, in English grammar, each grammatical word has its own role in English. Like if you want to make sentence negative, you will need the word not. And without the word not, you cannot make sentence negative. So today we are going to talk about articles. Articles are called determiner of the noun. They determine whether the noun is singular or plural or specificity. Singularity means the noun is singular. Plurality means the noun is plural. And the specificity means we are talking about the specific noun. To show the singularity, we use two articles, article A and article N. To show the plurality of the noun, we use article the. And the last one, article the is also used to show the specificity. Let's take an example. Regarding article A, a boy is in the class. A boy is in the class. We use article A to determine the noun is singular, which means the article A indicates that one boy is in the class. Let's take another example. An owl is on the tree. So, article an and noun owl. So here, in this case, article an shows that the noun which is owl is singular. Means one owl is on the tree. So, if you want to talk about singular noun, you can use article A and N. Let's talk about the plurality. Article the is used for plurality. Let's take an example. The boys are in the class. The boys are in the class. Here, the article the indicates that the noun is plural, which means more than one boy in the class. So we use the article the to show the plurality of the noun. So if you want to talk about plural noun, you should use article the. So we have an example of the article the which is used for specificity. The boy is in the class. Here in this sentence, article the is used to indicate the noun boy, which means we are talking about the boy whom we know, whom we already know. So we use the article the for the specificity of the noun. If you already know about the person, already know about the thing, and you are talking about it, you use article the. So here we have three possibility of articles. Article A and N are called indefinite article. So, article A and N are called indefinite article, while article the is called definite article. So that's all for the day. Thank you.